This is the most complete dongle DAC in the market right now. This is Fiio QX13, yet another powerful dongle by Fiio, and it is one and done. Let's talk about it. Special thanks to Fiio for providing the unit, and all the opinions are mine. Let's start with build, package and design. In the package you get the dongle, the cable, a screen guard and a magsafe case with magsafe coil for Android. So I will take some time here to talk about the utility approach that Fiio took here. And I think this is one of the best selling point for me. So I chose the carbon fiber version. Why? It's lightweight and sturdy, perfect for daily commute. When I was in CanJam, I tried both the version, the titanium and the carbon fiber, and I was impressed a lot with the carbon fiber. It was lightweight and sturdy, but at the same time, if you are someone who wants something premium looking and a little bit heavy, titanium is the option. It has a screen in the front that tells you all the stats and the settings you are maneuvering. Just below that, we have this button for that play, pause and volume, and on the side, we can move to normal and desktop mode and 3.5 and 4.4 output on the top. On the other side, you have this another Type-C to add desktop mode power separately. The cable again is mindfully crafted here. It has 4 strands of copper and 2 strands of silver. According to Fiio, it helps in sound. So if you're someone who's into it, Fiio has thought about you as well. Then you get screen guard and the case as well included in the package. And lastly, the case is again a very utilitarian. It adds the functionality of magsafe and you can directly attach it to your phone. Fantastically useful and utilitarian approach. Let's see the function of this particular DAC. So it has this Type-C port that you can put power via PC or some other power source. It goes into the desktop mode and give you extra juice for those stubborn IEMs or headphones. In front we have these buttons, so if you long press this, you get into the setting. Let me take you to some of the settings here. All of them are very self-explanatory, however, let's talk about them. So for volume level, it has 2 modes. 60 and 120. I found with IEMs 120 gives more granular control and with headphones 60 works best. So good to have options here. Coaxial output. In case you want to connect this to another amp maybe, you can use this option. The channel balance. Some of the old IEMs with time developed some imbalances here and there. Well, we have the cure built in this DAC right here. Then this EQ mode. If you are into EQ, you can set your own EQ setting for usage and change it via this option. Lastly, this is UAC mode. It is one of my favorite. If you want to use this DAC with your console, your PS5, just change it to UAC 1.0 and you can directly plug it and play with your PlayStation. So these are some very useful settings that I found I should discuss with you. Apart from that, there are some other options. You can change the theme as well, etc, etc. You can look into that. Let's see how does it perform sonically. QX13 comes with eSaber 9027S Pro and it has warm neutral tonality with a nice bass and a little bit weight into the mids and a well done treble. The weight has good thickness and speed to it and maintains a very good texture as well. The lower mids come out to be a little bit of weight in them, which helps a lot in male vocals, and overall I found vocal to be very sweet in this particular DAC, and it maintains the tonality of your IEM. It never changes the tonality, just add a little bit of weight note in the lower mids and the bass region. The treble is extended and airy and it is never sharp. It is a well done treble in this particular DAC. Fiio DAC generally have the problem of sounding a little bit metallic. Well, not this one. This has been executed fantastically. Technicalities again are well done. I did not find any issues in resolution, staging, imaging, etc. Everything was done perfectly. QX13 sonically produced a nice tonality with a good body in low end, and it is one of my favorite Fiio dongle implementation. In terms of market performance, it closely competes with M15i, and I would say in terms of package, value, design, utility, I would say QX13 is a better value here, is a better dongle DAC. However, if we talk about pure sonic performance, I would say M59 has an edge. It has faster transients and overall portrays better clean and transparent tonality. While both have that warm neutral tonality, M15i takes an edge here in sonic department. I would say with Fiio QX13, Fiio nailed it. they showcase they do not just care about sales but also the customer needs. It is very well crafted. With just one DAC, you have all your needs catered. It not just caters to your sonic needs but solves all your dongle hassles with case, magsafe, desktop mode, screen, and options like carbon fiber, light, and sturdy and metal looking premium feel. And just for that, this deserves a 5-star, and it is TWX recommended. If you're in market looking for a dongle DAC around $200, this is my pick. Well, this was it for QX13. Do let me know your thoughts in comments, and I'll see you in the next one.